Transform your poolside into an oasis of organization and elegance with the Sunjoy rust-proof aluminum pool float storage rack. Meet the Pickford Pool Float Storage Rack, a masterfully designed solution that blends functionality with chic outdoor styling. Crafted to perfection, this poolside organizer features 3 generously sized compartments accompanied by a convenient storage basket. Whether it's pool floats, cushions, noodles, or various pool toys, the Sunjoy rack ensures everything has its designated place, promoting efficient organization and eliminating clutter effortlessly. At the heart of its design is the use of premium PE rattan, hand-woven to withstand the sun's harsh rays without fading over time. This not only enhances durability but also adds a touch of sophistication to your outdoor decor, seamlessly blending with any poolside setting. Available in elegant gray or navy finishes, the rack allows you to choose a color that complements your outdoor aesthetics, elevating both style and functionality. Durability is paramount with the Sunjoy rack, thanks to its rust-resistant aluminum frame. Engineered to withstand outdoor elements, the frame ensures longevity and reliability, making it a robust investment for your outdoor storage needs. Additionally, the inclusion of plastic feet protects your decks and floors from scratches, showcasing a thoughtful design that considers both usability and surface care. Measuring 34.65 inches in length, width, and 27.76 inches in height, this storage rack offers ample space to accommodate all your pool essentials. From inflatable lounges to swimming rings, from pool noodles to beach towels, every item finds a secure spot within its well-organized compartments. The elevated base design further ensures that your belongings stay dry and free from ground moisture, maintaining their quality season after season. Assembly is made simple with illustrated instructions included, allowing for quick setup so you can start enjoying a tidy poolside area sooner rather than later. Should you have any questions or require assistance, Sunjoy's experienced customer service team stands ready to provide support, ensuring a smooth experience from purchase to setup. Say goodbye to outdoor storage challenges with the Sunjoy rust-proof aluminum pool float storage rack. Embrace effortless organization and timeless style with this essential addition to your outdoor living space. Whether for personal enjoyment or entertaining guests, elevate your poolside experience with the Pickford Pool Float Storage Rack and redefine outdoor storage solutions today.